Sunny and renovated, this east and north-facing corner 3-bedroom, 2-bath home enjoys sky and city views over West End Avenue to attractive pre-war townhouses. This already combined home, originally a 2-bedroom plus an alcove studio, features great entertaining space stretching nearly 31 feet. The kitchen is renovated and windowed. The primary bedroom suite is massive and includes a newly renovated white tiled bathroom with walk-in shower, a home office, as well as room for a washer-dryer, subject to co-op board approval. The large corner 2nd bedroom faces east and north and was the primary bedroom in the original 2-bedroom. The 3rd bedroom faces north over the building's private gardens and is adjacent to the primary suite. They share the recently renovated windowed white-tiled bathroom, which boasts Kohler fixtures and its own heating unit regulated by a thermostat. The floor plan is so flexible, the current primary suite could easily accommodate multiple beds. Additional features include new windows, abundant closets throughout, and air conditioners in all the bedrooms, and the living room. The coveted mid-century Schwab house is a fully serviced cooperative on the Upper West Side, one of the most desirable, vibrant, beautiful, and historic residential neighborhoods in Manhattan, and just across the street from Riverside Park, with its cafes, gardens, playgrounds, bicycle paths, sports fields, and dog runs. Enjoy the neighborhood, for in addition to wonderful shopping venues and great restaurants, it is a very short distance to Lincoln Center and multiple cinemas. Schwab House features on-site management and 24-hour doormen, concierge, handyman, and garage, plus a gym and 2 luxuriously landscaped roof decks with panoramic views, all offering Wi-Fi, a playroom, and an air-conditioned modern lobby. This great home is easily shown by appointment. For more information, contact Dean Feldman or Debra Weiner at Brown Harris Stevens.